Navigating the shifting sands UK immigration overhaul. The UK's immigration landscape is changing. Recent changes have made it more complex and expensive to migrate to the UK. These changes are designed to reduce the number of migrants coming to the UK. This essay will discuss these changes in detail. It will also explain how these changes impact those who want to live and work in the UK. The UK government has enacted a series of new immigration regulations. These regulations represent a significant shift in the UK's approach to immigration. They introduce a more rigorous and costly process for those seeking entry. These changes are driven by a number of factors. These include economic concerns, pressure on public services, and a desire for greater control over immigration. The impact of these changes is already being felt by migrants and employers alike. Understanding these changes is crucial for anyone considering migrating to the UK. It is essential to be aware of the new requirements and to plan accordingly. This includes understanding the financial implications, the stricter sponsorship rules, and the heightened importance of a clean record. The price of opportunity visa fee hikes. One of the most immediate impacts of the new regulations is the sharp increase in visa fees. The cost of applying for many visas, including skilled worker visas, has risen dramatically. This increase is a significant barrier for many potential migrants. The cost of a skilled worker visa has increased by up to £1,500. This makes it more expensive to work in the UK. The NHS surcharge, a mandatory fee for accessing healthcare, has also increased. It now costs £1,035 per year. For a 5-year visa, this amounts to over £5,000. The Home Office has also proposed increases to other fees. These include the Certificate of Sponsorship, COS, and the Electronic Travel Authorisation, ETA. These increases are expected to generate an additional £269 million annually for the UK government. These fee increases are a significant financial hurdle for migrants. They make it more difficult for individuals and families to afford the cost of moving to the UK. These increases reflect the UK government's focus on offsetting the costs associated with immigration. Sponsorship tightening. A higher bar for employers and employees. Securing a job offer from a UK-based employer has always been a key pathway for skilled migrants. However, the new regulations have made it significantly harder for employers to sponsor foreign workers. Employers now face higher minimum salary thresholds for sponsoring foreign workers. The minimum salary for most roles is now over £38,700. This is a substantial increase and may make it difficult for employers to fill certain roles. The government has also increased scrutiny of care worker sponsors. This has led to job offers being cancelled in some cases. The increased scrutiny is designed to ensure that only those with the necessary skills and experience are able to work in the UK care sector. In addition to stricter salary requirements, employers also face more rigorous financial checks. This is to ensure that they are able to meet their sponsorship obligations. These obligations include paying salaries and providing adequate support to sponsored workers. These changes place a greater burden on employers and limit their ability to recruit talent from overseas. They also make it more important for prospective migrants to secure well-paying job offers to qualify for a visa. The Good Character Gauntlet. A closer look at citizenship requirements. Obtaining UK citizenship has long been a goal for many long-term migrants. However, the path to citizenship has become narrower. The UK has tightened its good character requirement, leading to a higher rate of citizenship application rejections. The good character assessment now considers a wider range of factors. This includes minor criminal convictions, such as traffic offences. Even minor offences can now jeopardise an application for citizenship. Unpaid taxes and debts can also lead to an application being rejected. It is essential for applicants to ensure that their financial affairs are in order. This includes paying all taxes and settling any outstanding debts. Furthermore, errors on the application form can also result in rejection. It is crucial for applicants to be meticulous when completing the application and to seek professional help if needed. Mistakes on the application can result in significant delays or even rejection. These stricter requirements underscore the importance of maintaining a clean record and fulfilling all legal and financial obligations while residing in the UK. Even minor infractions can now have long-term consequences for those aspiring to become British citizens. Section 5. The Electronic Travel Authorisation Gateway to the UK. As of January 8, 2025, the UK introduced the Electronic Travel Authorisation, or ETA. This is a new entry requirement for non-European nationals visiting the UK for short stays. The ETA is mandatory for tourism, transit, family visits, business trips and short-term study. It allows individuals to stay in the UK for up to 6 months. It is electronically linked to the traveller's passport, eliminating the need for a physical visa stamp. Applications for the ETA opened on November 27, 2024, for non-European nationals. European nationals can apply from March 5, 2025, and will need the ETA from April 2, 2025. From April 2025, the ETA will be a universal requirement for all visitors to the UK, except for British and Irish citizens. The ETA is similar to programs implemented by other countries, such as the United States and Canada. It is designed to enhance border security and streamline the entry process for travelers. Section 6. Financial Preparedness. Weathering the immigration costs. The financial implications of the UK's immigration changes cannot be overstated. The increased fees and stricter requirements demand meticulous financial planning from prospective migrants. Before embarking on the journey to the UK, it is essential to calculate the total cost. This includes visa fees, the NHS surcharge, travel expenses, and living costs for the initial months. Having sufficient savings is crucial. These savings will cover living expenses while searching for employment or settling into a new job. Having a financial cushion can provide peace of mind during the transition period. Exploring financial assistance options is also advisable. Some organizations offer loans or grants to support migrants with the costs associated with relocation. These resources can help alleviate the financial burden. By being financially prepared, migrants can navigate the initial hurdles and focus on establishing themselves in the UK. Adequate financial planning is essential for a smooth and successful transition. Section 7. Seeking professional guidance. Navigating the maze with expert help. Navigating the complexities of UK immigration law can be daunting. Seeking professional guidance from an immigration lawyer or advisor can prove invaluable. Immigration lawyers possess specialist knowledge of immigration law and procedures. They can provide personalized advice based on individual circumstances. This advice can be tailored to the specific needs of the applicant. They can assist with various aspects of the immigration process. This includes visa applications, sponsorship applications, and appeals against rejections. Their expertise can be invaluable in navigating complex legal processes. While there is a cost associated with hiring an immigration lawyer, their guidance can save time, money, and potential setbacks in the long run. A well-informed decision is less likely to result in costly errors or delays. Seeking professional help can provide peace of mind and increase the chances of a successful outcome. It is an investment worth considering for those serious about migrating to the UK. Section 8. Staying informed, your key to a smooth transition. In the ever-evolving landscape of UK immigration, staying informed is paramount. Regulations and requirements can change, and being aware of the latest developments is crucial for a smooth transition. The UK government website, gov.uk, is the official source for immigration information. It provides detailed guidance on visa categories, application procedures, and fees. Regularly checking the website for updates is essential. Reputable immigration law firms and organizations also publish updates and analyses of immigration changes. Subscribing to their newsletters or following them on social media can provide valuable insights. These sources often provide expert commentary and analysis. By staying informed, migrants can ensure they meet the latest requirements, avoid common pitfalls, and make well-informed decisions about their future in the UK. Knowledge is power, especially in the complex world of immigration. Section 9. The Human Impact. Voices of Migrants. Behind the statistics and policy changes lie the human stories of individuals and families whose lives are directly affected by the UK's immigration changes. The stricter rules and higher costs pose significant challenges for those seeking a better life in the UK. They create uncertainty and anxiety for those who have already made the UK their home. The changes impact family reunification. Higher income thresholds make it more difficult for UK residents and citizens to bring their spouses or children to the UK. This can cause emotional strain and hardship. The voices of migrants highlight the human cost of these policy changes. They remind us that immigration is not just about numbers, but about people's lives, aspirations, and contributions to society. Section 10. UK Immigration 2025 and Beyond. Adaptation and Resilience. The UK's immigration landscape in 2025 and beyond will continue to evolve. Migrants need to be adaptable and resilient in the face of these changes. Networking within migrant communities and support groups can provide a lifeline for newcomers. Sharing experiences, advice and resources can help individuals navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Building a strong support system is crucial. This includes connecting with fellow migrants, seeking guidance from community organizations, and staying informed about relevant policy changes. Despite the challenges, the UK remains a desirable destination for many migrants. By staying informed, seeking professional help, and building a strong support network, migrants can increase their chances of a successful transition and contribute to British society.